So we came to show you Brad's apartment block and the progress on it. And just as because you saw the last video where I went to get my bike sorted because it was standing 5 months and everything practically was froze up. And we barely got here and the heavens opened up. It was beautiful and sunny when we come out, and we thought we're going to have plenty of time to do both videos. And we've got here, and unfortunately the doors are locked inside, so we can't, well, not on all the rooms, but on most of the rooms the doors are locked for obvious reasons. If there's no need to be in there, I guess there's no need to be in there, so they're locked. So you have the obligatory guard dog. He looks really vicious, which is what you want. We've got the model called Melanie. Yes, I know, it was a joke. See her look then. She pretends she's not listening. I like your skirt, Mel. Yeah, well, if I could get into it, I'd wear it, definitely. Where did you get it from and how much was it? Where did you get it from and how much was it?
50 pesos.
50 pesos from Okay Okay. Oh, very nice. What about the shoes? Are they new or are they Okay Okay? Oh, okay. So as you can see, because I've got an external mic on this, the doors open to the camera. The water seal doors off. You have to take the door off to get the external mic plugged in. So if I go out on that, I'm going to need another camera again, because that's what happened with my last camera. Got it wet when we were on the boat going to Saruma, and it just wouldn't work. Not straight away, but after a little while it wouldn't work. So I believe we're going up 3 floors. Again, that's what I believe. I haven't really spoke to Brad just lately, because he's obviously back in the US of A. And part of the conditions of him building this was it had wheelchair access, which this has here. Like I've said on previous videos, the regulations now, you're going to have to adhere to them, and especially if you're a foreigner, because otherwise you'll find yourself in a situation perhaps you don't want to be in. So Brad, being Brad, he's a good man, and he's got a lovely family. He's done everything by the book, no expense spared, and got a contractor in, and the contractor sorted all the certificates and everything that he needed. So now, God knows how long we're going to have to sit here until the rain stops. I think the guy sent for some keys, but I don't think they'll come out in this, so I might just have to show you what it is we have, which isn't really much more than last time, because to show you anything more I have to go upstairs, which means I have to go out in this. So I'm sorry about this, guys. We'll show you in here what we can show you. It's pretty dark. There's only 2 lights working. Let's see if you can see. Oh, you can see, look. So what we have here, these are 2 of the doors that's locked, which goes to 2 rooms. Then we have another door over here, which goes to another room, which is locked. I wonder if that's supposed to be bowed like that. Is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah. So this is the only toilet we've got that's got a light in it, and it's one that we're using. Some nice tiles. Nice downlit lights there, look. for night time. Makes it look nice. So I guess this is about the size of rooms that they are. Can you come in here to give it a bit of perspective, Mel? Perspective, stand over there, babe. That's it. So there you go. This is one room. Again, I don't know if this is a bedroom or if it's... It must be a bedroom. It's got to be a bedroom. Slikenero. Yeah, because it's the upstairs isn't done, is it, babe? So
Can we damage the tiles?
what?
The tiles.
What?
The floor, I mean.
Where?
Can we damage? There, because it's wet.
Oh, it's going to be damaged.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, nothing they can do. I guess this is another room. As you can see. I think this is some kind of, I don't know, you're perhaps hiding there from the taxman. I don't know what it is. And then there's some space under the stairs, which you can't really see a lot. Well, you can. But it's just, I don't know, I guess they'd use it as storage if whoever's in this room. Because it's going to be for students, guys, so they'll have like a bunk bed. Specially made bunk beds. They won't be like, you know, something you buy out the shop. So this is another toilet that you can't see nothing, and then there's another toilet here. So that's 3 toilets all in all. So there's 5 rooms and 3 toilets, and this is the kitchen. Couple of sinks. 2 rice cookers. Yeah. So that's all we can really show you. I wanted to show you upstairs. I wanted to see the upstairs, but we need something to cover the camera up.
Where's the plastic?
I don't know.
I can go upstairs to Naga.
Why?
I don't know.
Take the number plate out as well, man. Right. I'm gonna brave it and take you upstairs. So I'm gonna have to cover you up a minute. There you go. So this is the 2nd floor. The roof wasn't laid the last time I come. A lot of this wasn't done. So that's the steps from the bottom floor, which are unusable at the moment. And that's why you're getting leaks into the ground floor, because all this is open. As you can see. So I guess this and this is going to be another toilet, a couple of toilets. Look at this little cutie here. So yeah, it's going to be pretty impressive, I think, when it's done. Now I've got to get downstairs. So they've got somebody, you know what I said about, oh look, some stagnant water there. That's interesting. Don't know if that's, don't know what that is. You know what I said about building a bungalow in Suruma? You're going to have somebody living on site all the time. Otherwise, materials are going to disappear. The good thing is it shouldn't take as long as building a 3-4 story apartment block. Don't you just love it when it's rainy season? You've just seen the last video where I was sitting up in the room. We can't go on the bike now. There's my bike. At least it's getting a wash look. Is there what?
That side.
Is there what?
There's a space.
Space for what?
I don't know, look.
Why do you want me to look at the space? Oh, you can see on the lens. It's not misted or wet. Yeah, there's a space there. I don't know what that'll be used for. He doesn't know what the space is.
Ah, okay. The meters.
Oh, for the meters, right, okay. It'll be amazing when it's done. It's a shame it's been set back by this situation. No, not really. It's getting there, it's getting there. At least, doesn't matter if it rains, they can get on with what they're doing. So that's it for another video, guys. I'm sorry it's not as, not a bit better than, well, I mean better in that we could have showed you them rooms. So to the next video, until the next video,
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye! What you doing?
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,